Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is me Priya and I'm back with a new video for the day. And like in the yesterday video, we reacted on RM and V's military discharge. Today we are going to watch Jungkook and Jimin's military discharge. So we'll be watching the discharge ceremony from the same channel we did in the last video. Also, I just wanted to mention certain things about my last video that I mentioned that RM was the happiest to be discharged from military and how he started doing this countdown since there were 300 days left for his discharge. After watching RM's live yesterday, when he did Weaver's live, after watching that, I realized that we as fans, we do not know what our idols go through. So as I mentioned, he started his countdown from day 300, like when 300 days were left. I also got to know that he started maintaining a journal when around the same time, where he was mentioning all the things he has been feeling, especially about his sleep disorder. And I think he's really strong and courageous to share something so personal, and how much of a struggle he faced during his entire tenure in the military. And that made me actually understand why he seems to be the happiest to be discharged. I mean, if anyone would have been in his place, they would feel the same. Also, he discussed a lot about how much weight he gained at certain point. Like, there was this video and picture where he looked really round, and actually in my point of view he looked really cute, and he looked the healthiest he has ever been. But that I got to know that was because of a lot of discrepancy into the eating habits, into the sleeping habits, and also due to certain medications he was taking because of his sleep disorders. So now I actually think he struggled the most during his entire military tenure, whereas other members like V and Jin and even J-Hope, they had good time. I mean, Jin actually mentioned after he got discharged from military that how he was never scolded by any of his seniors because he was so good. And same goes for V, where he seems to be enjoying, even though he was into one of the most difficult divisions of the military. He still seems to be enjoying it. And coming back to RM, I think he struggled the most because of the hierarchy thing as well, because there is a very strict hierarchy, not only in Korean society, but when it comes to their workforce, especially workforces like army or military. The hierarchy is super strict, like super strict. The seniors are like, they are sticking to the hierarchy, whatever happens they will not break out of that hierarchy. And considering that RM has always been in a position where he is the leader, he's guiding everyone, he's leading everyone, and he's like someone who is looked up to, like the group members and the fans, they all look up to him. He is in that position, in that respected position. And if you think of it as an hierarchy, he is in the top of the hierarchy in the outer world. But when he went to military, he was also given an option to be in that training position of, like J-Hope was, like assistant drill instructor. So RM actually denied that position because he has always been in a leadership position, so he wanted to do something new. But that came at a cost, where he was in a environment where he was not into his best conditions. Also, he's mentioned that he was uh, like scolded by his seniors, which I feel like if I would have been in RM's place, I would have not taken it that well, like how he handled it. Because considering he has been in a leadership position for 10 plus years, it would have been a big blow. So I think now that he is back from military, I hope him all the health and recovery for his sleep disorder thing, and let's get him back to the way he was. Give him all the love as the fans, and wish him his health and happiness. With that, let's move to the Jungkook and Jimin's discharge ceremony, because before we dive into the video itself, I just wanted to mention these things about my previous video. And I will be watching all the lives in my free time, because they are like literally very long, almost an hour long. So yes, I like to watch their lives when I'm free. Like when I am not doing anything, when I want to relax, then I watch their lives, because that's really something that makes me happy, relaxed. So yes, that's the thing, and let's dive into the discharge ceremony now. So here we go for their discharge ceremony, where they felt super shy in front of the cameras. Three, two, one. As I mentioned in the last video, it's a hype thing to give big bouquets that I have seen in all the six military discharges till now. And beautiful bouquets too. Also, I see they are like super shy and seem nervous because they are facing camera after such a long time. And it's the same thing, just like RM and V, that they served in different bases and got discharged from their respective bases and then gathered at a one point, and yes, met the media and fans. It's in Gyeonggi province. Jimin looks so cute. I see most of the members, they gained weight and became a little puff, but not for Jimin. I guess Jimin seems like how he was earlier. Maybe he might have gotten more muscles or so, but it doesn't look that like. And for Jungkook, he seems similar, like how he was before the enlistment. But his face looks a lot younger. Even for Jimin, his face looks a lot younger. However, Jimin is already 30, I mean, almost 30, and Jungkook is also in his late 20s. They don't look like that, they look like their early 20s.
아, 강매를
Oh, photos in different directions.
와, 신기해. 와.
Also, I love how Jungkook's almost the entire tattoo arm is visible, which is not that visible in Korean media, because they seem to hide their tattoos, especially for their media presence, because in Korea people don't like tattoos that much. Tattoos are frowned upon. I don't know why. They look pretty.
아, 네. 말하면
그냥
되는 거예요.
So many mics.
아,
네, 일단 여기 와주신 기자님들 그리고 아미러분들 저희 저녁 하는 거 보러 와주셔서 너무 감사드리고 오늘 6월 11일 제 오사다
Okay, so what does they mean by tour of duty? I mean, even for RMNV's discharge, this term was mentioned, and here as well. Someone, if knows this, let me know in the comment section. I just want to know what is this term tour of duty. Tenure of duty, I understand, but tour of duty, I don't. If you could explain me in the comments, that would be great.
삼들팔찌 부대에서.
현대80 부대에서 저녁을 먹어봤습니다. 이에 신고합니다. 사실 카메라 앞이 너무 오랜만이라
좀 많이
그래서 화장도
떨리고.
안 하고 그래서 좀 민망한데요.
Bro, you still look great.
무슨 말 해야 될지 모르겠어요.
기분이 약간 휴가 나온 것 같은데 먼저 말씀드리면은 뭐 안 들리시겠지만 멀리서 이렇게 저희 보러 와주셔가지고 기자님들 다 너무 감사드리고 팬분들도 오늘 되게 많이 와주셨는데 진심으로 감사드립니다. 아무래도
Lucky
아미
fans who were able
여러분들께
to go.
먼저 말씀을 드리자면 코로나부터 해가지고 저희 군대까지 꽤 긴 시간이었는데 계속 기다려주시고 해서 너무 감사합니다. 오늘 저녁을 했기 때문에 앞으로 저희가
Most welcome.
계속 그려나가던 그림을 앞으로 그려나가면 되지 않을까 싶고 더 좋은 모습 준비해서 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.
네, 그리고 이제 저희보다 이제 먼저 앞서 있었던 선임들 그리고 지금 군대 나가 있는 우리 후임들 우리보다 좀 더 일찍 전역한 동기
맞지?
그리고 그 누구보다 또 고생 많이 하고 계시는 고생 많이 하고 계시는 우리 간부님들 정말 저희랑 같이 이제 생활하신다고 너무 고생 많으셨고 또 잘 챙겨주셔서 너무 감사했다고 말씀드리고 싶습니다.
저도 말씀드리자면은 정말 이 군대가 사실 처음이었는데 사실
Right.
되게 쉽지는 않은 곳이었던 것 같습니다. 군대라는 곳이.
Them living a very flexible kind of schedule. Like, obviously, they don't have much of a fixed schedule as an artist, but for military it's the opposite. You have a fixed schedule, especially your day to day rituals, like waking up at certain time, dinner at certain time, meal all the meals at certain time, then going back to your bed at night at certain time. So yes, it was quite of a contrast for all the members, and it is generally for all the artists, especially, or for people who work in a very flexible schedules.
뭐 만만하게 보고 들어온 적도 없지만 굉장히 힘들고 쉽지 않은 곳이었지만 같이 고생하고 뭐 밥 먹고 밖에서 잠도 자고 하면서 정도 굉장히 많이 들었었고요.
되게 많은 일들이 있었는데 그거는 이제 차차 저희가 좀 정리를 해서 재밌게
라이브에서
라이브에서 좀 풀어드리도록 하겠습니다.
되게 감사한 추억들 가슴에 담고 오랫동안 간직하도록 하겠습니다.
Someone just yelled in the background, like legit yelled to the top of their voice.
네,
추가로 마지막으로 한 말씀만 드리자면은 이제 국민 여러분들께 감히 말씀드리자면은 저희가 군대를 와 보니까 되게 쉽지 않은 곳이었던 것 같아요. 옆에 고생하시는 분들도 너무 많고 해서 혹시 괜찮으시면은 길 지나가다가 군인분들 한번 보게 되시면은 가볍게라도 그냥 따뜻한 말 이라도 해주시면은 너무 영광일 것 같습니다. 그 추가로 못다한 얘기는 라이브에서 저희가 많이 풀도록 하겠습니다. 네, 와주셔서 감사합니다.
I'm definitely gonna watch the live after this one. Sure. I want to know what stories they have to share. Such a bunch of mics, collection of mics.
둘, 셋, 단결! 둘, 셋, 단결! 이제 바로 갈게요. 감사합니다.
Saluting in all the directions. Who is this? Oh, it seems like they are their family members. I'm not really sure. Because I think I have seen him, the one in grey suit, somewhere. And it seems like he's someone from Jimin's family. His dad, maybe, but I don't think he's his dad. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you know. Because I have seen him somewhere. Obviously around BTS, but I have seen him somewhere. So that was discharge ceremony of Jungkook and Jimin, and Suga will be discharged in the later part of the month, probably 21st or 22nd of June. I'm still not sure. Somewhere it says 22nd, somewhere it says 21st. So I am not sure of the date because the last article I read it said 21st. So let's take that 21st. And I'm not sure if there will be a discharge ceremony because he is into alternate service because of his past injuries. He is not an active duty soldier. That's why he's getting discharged late. But nonetheless, he'll be back after that. So we might have a Weavers live with him or with all the members. If it will be all the members, it will be all happy things for me and for all the fans because we want to see all the members together. It's been so long that we have seen all seven of them together. So that was my reaction for their discharge, and I am looking forward to their new projects, whether it's album, singles, or their tour, whatever they want to do. I am looking forward to it. Even if it's a Run BTS, I am looking forward to it. I have been waiting for this time for so long. Not only me but all the fans, we have been waiting for this time for so long. 6 out of the 7 members are out of military and just one more to go. That's Min Yoongi. He'll be back this month itself. So yes, happy for that. And let me know what you feel about them in the comment section. And one more thing, I just want to know if you know any better screen recording softwares or websites. Let me know in the comments about that as well. I'm looking for an alternate option for screen recording. And if you have enjoyed this video till here with me, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button. Subscribe the channel if you haven't, because I see most of you who watch my videos are not subscribed yet. So please do that. That will mean the world to me as we are reaching towards 5k subscribers. So let's do it fast and share this video with anyone you know who's a fan of BTS and will enjoy these kind of videos. So share this video and make their day, and we'll meet each other again in the next video. Till then, do not forget to take care of yourself. Bye.